Nowadays people are creating these type of pics and uploading on social media, and boom, their social media account is growing like a hell. Like they are getting millions of views and likes too. And it's amazing though, like AI has got the absolute capabilities to build this type of pics. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can generate your own pics in this manner, and that too absolutely for free. So for that, you have to just head to the Gemini, and what you have to do is just upload any of your two pics. Okay, so as I am a CR7 fan, what I'm doing is I'm uploading his childhood pic and his current pic, and I'll try to just create something awesome, realistic with the help of it. So basically, I have uploaded the two pics here. And don't worry, now the main thing is of prompting. The more stronger your prompt is, the more perfect your output will be. And I'm just typing my prompt here, and you don't need a worry at all. You will get the prompt in the description. So basically, what you have to do is you have to just copy paste that prompt and just add your two images, and then you're all done. You don't have to write a single word. Okay, even though full stop, you don't have to write it. Just copy paste the prompt, and it's all done. Now let me show you the magic. It has started generating the pic. I have uploaded the two pic. I have just pasted the prompt here. I have written it. You can just directly copy paste and now see the magic. Like no one will say that this pic is absolutely an AI generated. Now let me scroll down. Three, two, one, and then as you can see, damn, who will just imagine, who will say that this pic is generated by an AI, right? Like it's absolutely awesome. Now look at the consistency, look at the mixture. It's for real. I'm literally impressed. So let me try for once more. Now we'll take the two greatest players of all time and we'll try to blend their picks together. That's awesome. So let's do it. And I'm doing here. So I'm just copy pasting my prompt here, and let's see what will it create. So as you can see, it has started generating, and I'm literally hell excited to see the result. Guys, please try this out with your own pics. Like I'm literally saying, it's mind blowing for real. Like all your memories which you have saved can come to life with the help of this. Okay, and let's see what it has generated. Damn, like look at the consistency, look at the color grading. Each and everything is absolutely perfect. It's looking like a plain Candid, right? Now let's go with this, the two famous singers. And I have just taken a random pics here. Okay, and it's absolutely for the educational purpose. My work is to make you friendly with the new upcoming AI tools. So if you're new here, so make sure you subscribe on this channel, because you'll get absolutely the same content and various new methods like this each and every day. And it's my work to make you even more friendly with using AI in your day-to-day life and making your life absolutely better. So as you can see, again, I have generated this pic, and let's see what kind of pic we get as a final outcome. Literally, I'm hella impressed with that pic, for real. Like see, absolutely, it's a perfect Candid, you can say. The reaction, each and everything, it's literally impressive and mind-blowing. So let's try one more with this. So you might know these two characters, right? They are hella famous. So let me just copy paste that same prompt here. And now what I'll do is, okay, it's generating. Till that time, guys, make sure you mention me in the comment that how you found it, and I'm damn sure that it will help you. It's gonna be a mind-blowing thing for you. You can generate plenty of your picks. And even though if you haven't got this Gemini subscription for 1 year, absolutely for free, you can check on my channel. I have uploaded the pure tutorial video how you can avail this Gemini subscription, that too for absolutely free. So the pic has been generated, and again it has shown its capability. And literally I'm saying it's 11 on 10 pic, not even 10 on 10, it's 11 on 10. Now let's appreciate the Gemini 2 for this, because he has done an absolutely fantastic work. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and stay tuned for the next video too.